Right now, there's a folder on GitHub that does the exact job you're paying a monthly bill for. Maybe six of them. A Bloomberg Terminal that runs on your laptop. The ad agency audit you pay thousands for. The Creative Studio subscriptions. Somebody already built the free open source version, and most people will never hear about it. So I went and pulled 10 of them. 10 repositories so good, they genuinely shouldn't be free. And for each one, I'm going to show you the exact paid product it replaces. Let's go. Number 1, AutoHedge. This is an autonomous hedge fund in Python that you install with one line. Under the hood, it's 4 AI agents working as a team. A director writes the investment thesis. A quant runs the analysis to check it. A risk manager decides how big the position should be. And an execution agent actually places the order. It operates live on Solana. The thing a trading firm pays a desk of people to do: generate the idea, size it, pull the trigger, pip install AutoHedge, and it's running. Now, obviously, real money, real risk. This is not advice. But the architecture, it's all right there for free. Number 2, vibe trading. If AutoHedge is one fund, this is the whole trading floor. It runs on a directed graph, agents that handwork to each other in order. And it ships with 77 specialized finance skills and 29 ready-made teams of specialist agents. Ichimoku, Elliott Wave, smart money concepts, risk parity, the analysis methods a professional desk uses. Its crypto desk pulls live liquidation heat maps. And the best part, you can watch the agents debate the trade in real time. One arguing the bull case, one arguing the bear, before they ever agree. A terminal seat plus an analyst, open source. Number 3, Fincept Terminal. And this is the one that made me stop scrolling. It's a Bloomberg Terminal replacement that runs on your laptop. Bloomberg charges around $27,000 a year for a seat. Fincept is zero. It comes with CFA-level analytics, over 100 data connectors, Polygon, the World Bank, the IMF, and 37 AI investor agents modeled on the legends: Buffett, Munger, Graham, Lynch. You can run a ticker past Warren Buffett's framework and a risk model in the same window. 24,000 stars on GitHub, and it costs nothing. Number 4, LibreChat. Every model ChatGPT runs, plus Claude, plus Gemini, plus DeepSeek, plus 20 more, in one self-hosted interface you control. It has native MCP support. So it plugs into tools the same way Claude does. Here's the reframe. OpenAI charges you $20 a month to use their wrapper around the model. LibreChat is the wrapper, open source, and you point it at your own keys. You own the data, the history, the whole thing. Same chat experience. None of the subscription and none of the lock-in. Number 5, Open Generative AI. It was launched as Open Higgsfield, so don't get thrown by the rename. It's a single self-hosted cinema studio that puts over 200 AI models behind one interface. Flux, Sora, Kling, Veo, GPT-4o, all in one place. Text to image, image to video, a cinema mode with real camera controls. Now, the honest part, because it matters. This is the control panel, not the GPS. The big proprietary models run in the cloud, so you bring your own API keys. What it kills is the chaos. 6 separate creative subscriptions and 6 separate tabs collapsed into one open dashboard you own. Number 6, Open-LLM-VTuber. This one's just delightful. It's a live 2D animated AI companion that runs fully offline. It can see your screen, it hears your voice, and it shows its inner thoughts as a separate text layer. So you literally watch it reason before it speaks. There's a pet mode that floats it on your desktop while you work. And you can swap the brain, the underlying LLM, by changing one line in a config file. The character companion apps charge a monthly fee and keep your conversations on their servers. This one lives on your machine and answers to you. Number 7, Claude Ads. This is a free Claude code skill that audits your paid advertising the way an expensive agency would. It runs over 200 verified checks across Google, Meta, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Microsoft Ads. And it does it with 6 subagents firing in parallel at the same time. Then it consolidates everything into a single ads health score, with the fixes prioritized by impact. An agency charges you anywhere from a couple grand to 10,000 for this exact audit. This runs in your terminal on your account for nothing. Number 8, Agentic Inbox. Cloudflare, the actual company, just open sourced an email client where an AI agent reads your inbox and drafts your replies for you. And the architecture is the point. It runs entirely on Cloudflare workers. Every mailbox lives in its own isolated durable object. And it uses Cloudflare's own AI, so your email never leaves your account. The paid AI inboxes route your mail through someone else's servers and bill you monthly. This one deploys to infrastructure you already control, and the data stays yours. Number 9, Camofox. If you build AI agents that browse the web, you've hit the wall. Bot detection blocks them instantly. Camofox makes an agent's browser invisible. It's built on Camofox, a Firefox fork that spoofs the fingerprint, the WebGL, the audio and WebRTC signatures down at the C++ level. So the browser doesn't look modified, because it genuinely isn't. What Camofox adds on top is the part agents love. It returns the page as an accessibility tree instead of raw HTML, and that drops your token cost by around 90%. The commercial stealth scraping services that do this charge per request. This is yours. Number 10, Hyperframes. HeyGen open sourced a video framework, and it solves a very specific pain. Tools like Remotion are powerful, but you write your videos in React. Hyperframes flips that. Your agent writes plain HTML and the framework renders it to an MP4. No React, no JSX, no new format to teach the model. GSAP, Lottie, and 3JS all work inside it, and it's deterministic. The same HTML always produces the exact same file, which is what you want for automation. If you've ever wanted an AI agent to generate real videos on a schedule, this is the missing piece. And it's free. 10 repositories, each one quietly replacing a product you're probably still being charged for. These aren't toys, they're real, they're maintained, and they're free. So here's the move. Don't try to install all 10. Pick the one that hits the bill you're tired of paying and plug it into your workflow this week. I've put all 10, the links, what each one replaces, and the honest caveats into one free guide. Comment the word free stack and I'll send it straight to you. If you build with this stuff, the deep dives live here on YouTube, so subscribe. And the bite-sized drops are on Instagram at Hyperautomation Labs. Now, go cancel something.